Now we are going to try to understand everything. You can observe CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10 and so on. All are called in one word is hydrocarbon compound. What? Hydrocarbon compound. Why? Because in all molecular formula only two atoms, carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen. The first name is methane, second name methane, third name propane, again butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. So first of all set in your mind 1 meth, 2 8, 3 prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 non and 10 dec. That means from 1 meth. So you should called first hydrocarbon compound methane, second ethane, third from prop to pentane, propane, and then fourth but for butane and pent for pentane, 6 hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. Now this is the first structure formula of methane. Only one structure formula available in the world, methane. Very simple. That means 4 hydrogen atoms attached to one carbon atom with single bond. Why single bond? Because hydrogen has only one electron. Only one electron. The very light element of the world, hydrogen. That means first element, hydrogen. That means atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So valency of hydrogen is 1. So you can show the relation between or bond between carbon and hydrogen with a single bond. Here simple or normal structure formula of pentane. That means you have to draw with a single bond 5 carbon atoms and attach all carbon atoms with hydrogen with single bond. If you count number of hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You will get 12 atoms and hydrogen atoms 5. So this has a structure formula C5H12. Also this is isopentane. Isopentane. That means in longest chain 4 carbon atoms and in branch chain 1 carbon atom. And remaining hydrogen atoms attached with single bond. That means this is so the single bond. But this has also molecular formula same C5H12. And also that means you have to draw in longest chain 3 carbon atoms and the middle carbon atom. You have to attach with single bond 2 carbon atoms and remaining hydrogen atoms with single bond will, you can say this neopentane. What? Neopentane. And this has also same molecular formula C5H12. That means normal pentane, isopentane and neopentane all having same molecular formula C5H12. So in the chemistry, the chemical compound having different structure formula but same molecular formula is called isomers, and this phenomena is called isomerism. Now we are going to understand C4H10. What is name of C4H10? Butane.
Butane.
First of all, you have to draw C, C, C and C with single bond. What? Single bond. We know that the carbon atom having 4 valency. What? So you can satisfy one carbon atom with 4 bond. Here 1 bond and remaining 3 bond with hydrogen atom. This carbon atom has 2 bond get and remaining 2 bonds with hydrogen atom, and also same to this, and last with 3 hydrogen atoms should be attached with single bond. If you count the number of hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That means in molecular formula number of hydrogen what is 10 and also number of carbon 4. This is called normal butane.
Butane.
What is
Butane.
normal butane? Normal butane. If you take 3 carbon atoms with single bond and last or fourth carbon atom attached with the middle carbon atom, you will get this type of structure. And you can attach with previous rule hydrogen with each carbon atom. This structure has also same molecular formula C4H10. So these are called isomers. That means the chemical compound having different structure formula and physical property but same molecular formula is called isomers, and this phenomena is called isomerism. Let us see here, one normal butane and second isobutane. What? Isobutane. After understanding this, you will write definition of isomers and isomerism. So don't worry. In Hindi language, वैसे रासायनिक यौगिक जिसके संरचना सूत्र तो अलग अलग होते हैं लेकिन उसके आणविक सूत्र एक ही होते हैं, उसे हम समावयवी कहते हैं और इस परिघटना को समावयवता कहते हैं। देखो आराम से बिना डांटे हुए पढ़ा रहे हैं तो लड़का होने ताक रहा है। तुम थोड़ा सा क्या है, लतखोर है ना, कभी सीरियस रहता ही नहीं है। कितना बढ़िया से समझा के बता रहे हैं। हम जैसे बता दिए हैं तुमको, वैसे जाके थोड़े स्कूल में कोई बताएगा।